What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Smart Key remote fob. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it where the emergency key just slid out of, what I'm going to do is use my emergency key to pry up on this back cover. So I'm going to put the key in this space right here in between these two little plastic pieces. So stick your key in there like that, and then I'm just going to use it to pry up on that back cover. And this can come up pretty tough, especially if it's never been off before. But once you get that off of there, then we can see our battery right here. And this just slides out of that holder, but it's kind of sitting down in there. So what we need to do is just pick up on it a little bit. So I'm just going to kind of grab this rubber piece, carefully just kind of pull that up. And we don't even have to pull it all the way out. We just need it enough so we can slide that battery out. So I just have it like this. You can pull it out all the way if you want, but once you get it out a little bit, go ahead and slide that battery out of the holder. Now I'm going to grab my new battery, and I want to make sure that I'm installing that with the plus side up, like that. Go ahead and slide that down in the holder, and then put your circuit board back down in that rubber piece. And now we can snap the back cover on. Make sure that's all the way snapped on, and then slide our emergency key in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.